Hey there, John with My Tennessee Home Solution, and I wanted to answer a question that we do get a lot from sellers of homes. What kind of condition does my home have to be in? I'm going to flip around here for a second and show you a home right behind me. As you can see, that one's missing a roof. That one has all kinds of things wrong with it. Now, the one I'm in front of now doesn't have as many things wrong with it, but you can see the cosmetic blemishes. You can see the paint that needs to be redone. You can see the damage up here in the eaves. So what types of properties do we deal with? We deal with properties in all kinds of conditions. Now, the one I just pointed out would probably be a tear down situation, and we'd look at that a little bit differently. But the one I'm looking at has potential. So even if your home is in rough shape, doesn't matter if it looks like this or it looks like this and you need some work to be done to it, we will look at homes in any condition, anywhere in Middle Tennessee, and we'll be willing to help you out with that. So if you're in a situation or a scenario where you're wanting to get rid of your home because there's a lot of work to do, don't worry about getting any of that work done. Just give us a call or visit us at mytennesseehomesolution.com. We will come out, give you a fair price for your home, no matter what the condition, and we look forward to working with you. Talk soon.